Hi guys, as you can see, this is our garden. Yes, we started planting when it was so dry and we kept watering them. As you can see, just move around and see how beautiful they look. And I shared a video about how I plant these vegetables around my home. Come, let's tour my home garden. Oh, yes, today in this short video, I'm going to show you how I care for these beautiful vegetables that I planted around my home. I shared a video about how I planted from day one up to where they are. So this is to show you how they are progressing. You can share the video. So this is how the vegetables look. Apparently they are ready for eating and they have very big leaves. What? What are you doing? They are really so good and they don't have chemicals on them. You can just pick and you can cook for your family. Yeah, so let's water them so that tomorrow they will be fatter.